In this video, we will talk about how to fix blank icons Windows 11. Make sure to watch the complete video. Method 1. Disable widgets. Some users have reported that disabling widgets resolves issues with unresponsive desktop icons. Right-click on the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. Turn off the Widgets option. Method 2. Update or reinstall display drivers. Do a right-click on Windows icon and select Device Manager. Here you need to expand the Display Adapters section. If you have more than one display adapter, you need to update both of them. Right-click your display driver and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Now, click on Close. If updating doesn't help, consider uninstalling the driver. For that, do a right-click and select Uninstall Device. Check Attempt to remove the driver for this device and click on Uninstall. After this, click on Windows icon and restart your PC. Restarting your computer allows Windows to reinstall it automatically. So that's how we can fix blank icons Windows 11. If these methods didn't resolve your issue, check out our other methods linked in the pinned comment below. That's all for today. See you in the next video.